number 4 on Scotland's Burning. This is just an introduction, so you can ignore that. They're cues. I guess your piano would play that. And it starts out with an open D, open G, open D, open G. And then you're going to play in third position, first finger in third position on the D string. Let me show you how to do that. So here's your open D. Then you find the A in third position. A, B, and then the high D, remember? So once again, you're using harmonics to find third position. So I'm going to start in second measure. Scotland's Burning. 1, 2,